Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kenmore brand washing machine and it's giving you an F11 error and you're wondering what's going on. And so, real quickly, the F11 error is an error in terms of communication between the control board, which sends the messages, and the electricity to the motor, which turns. There's something wrong there. So you need to be careful when trying to fix this error, because fixing this error means opening up the washing machine, and that can void your warranty. So you may be better off in this situation just calling a technician, because this is not a super simple one to fix. If you do feel comfortable getting into the guts of the machine, all you need to do is check the wiring between the control board and the motor, and make sure that everything is, there's no loose or disconnected or frayed wires or short-circuited wires or anything like that. If that doesn't fix if everything's fine and you're still getting this error, the next thing to do would be to replace the control board and the motor. So anyways, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.